Okay, here's my trade recap for the 21st of July, Tuesday. We caught 100 points, basically. So coming into the market, I was super bullish. We had, on the daily time frame, we had this unfilled daily gap. So this is my draw on liquidity for the session, pretty much. And at market open, I really wanted to see longs to this unfilled gap, which I'll mark out right here. So this is our unfilled gap. However, and on the 15-minute, obviously we're bearish. We've ran up over, like, all the way overnight. We ran up like almost 400 points from the bottom at Asia right here. We ran up a little over 400 points overnight. So clearly bullish. And basically what I wanted to see at market open was I wanted to see a retrace down to this 15-minute gap. And then on the 1-minute time frame, basically want to see a pullback down here and then get a long to this unfilled gap. However, as you can see, as soon as market opens, it takes out draw and then dumps. So really did not have anything clean to get into the market here. Let me just put my overnight extended profile on as well. So, yeah. As you can see, don't get a setup there at open. Market just completely takes the start of our draw, which I wanted to long to, and then dumps from there. So had to wait for something else. Market begins to chop kind of in this range, and then we start seeing some clean displacement lower, still leaning bullish, and we had London lows right here that I wanted to take out as well, right on top of previous day value area high was also resting here. I'll show you the screenshot after this trade, or I'll put the screenshot up on the screen right here. However, started seeing the market come lower, lower, and lower, and basically just wanted to get in. So we ended up having VWAP here. We had the overnight value area low that was extended. We had current session value area low right here too. And we had true day open, previous day value area high, which was stacked right here on top of the VWAP band. And basically just waited for a tap of this band right here, tap all the way through down to the Thursday night's anchored VWAP as well. And once I saw this big wick off the bottom here and we closed above our levels, that's when I got long. So I ended long pretty much right on this candle close right here. And as you can see, we push higher, we tag orb low, and then we get a huge rejection back down. Would have been B, usually would have gone break even at this trade here. However, I don't go break even anymore, so this is a prime example of why you shouldn't be going break even on your trades, especially if you're trading with volume profile and order flow. And so as you can see, retags, retests my levels, and then we get our full pump right to my TP right here, overnight point of control, which is up here. So we hit for a quick 100 points. Could have held this longer, but I just wanted to get in and out of the market, especially with this intraday buffer. So we're completely over my intraday buffer now for both my accounts, which means tomorrow, any trade we take over the buffer, we'll be able to take as a payout and put towards some more accounts to build our stack. And from there, you know, we can just keep building, keep scaling, and get to that $1 million in prop firm payouts. So check back in tomorrow to see if I take any other trades.